This is all about a website called Odia Bibhaba. We elaborate it as anything that relates to Orissa, Odia language, or translated into or from Odia language. One of the interests that we developed is to document what has been written relating to science in Odia language. And naturally, we turned to the magazines. And whenever we got access to the magazines, we decided not to collect only the science article, but the whole magazine. And that is how the concept of digitization came into mind.
So during that time, we found that Bhasakoso is very, very rare. And the only method of preservation is digitization. The ideal machine was too costly for us. And luckily, we found a SP scanner. It was transparent.
What we did, we laid the book flat, put the scanner upside down on it, press and scan.
Then we didn't know about the useful software, scan teller, etc. then.
Basically, it was a mechanical hard work. 300 pages day, meaning 10,000 pages took us with all kind of processing, almost 9 months.
During that time, a proposal from Meghan Prashar, they had a proposal that to collect science articles which was published that time. That period was 1850 to 1950.
By then we were already feeling the limits of our scanner. It was slow, bulky. So we started experimenting with camera based setup. Commercial setup were way too expensive. Around 2008 we succeeded using an ordinary point and shoot camera of Canon, which had a remote shooting facility. We could take time-based photographs from a computer.
So we can say that our major digitization program started from there only.
ओडिया विभाग को आज दिन देखिले 10,000 रु अधिका बही 127 टाइटल रो पत्रिका 21 खबर कागज एगुड़ा देखला बेलको भारी उत्साह निश्चय लगे किंतु बहीटा पाइबा बा पत्रिका जेकोसी मटेरियल पाइबाटा बहुत कष्ट अनेक समय गुंड अवस्था हे जे बहुत पुराना बही बा पत्रिका जोटा मिलुची
Getting copies, physical copies is a problem. But once we get a copy with low-cost equipment and volunteer workforce, we still produce about 5,000 pages a week.
It's continuing. But the major problem is the copyright because many people have already died and their children, they are not at all interested in preserving their own ancestors' books.
Government is still uncooperative or even hostile. So, and if we start raising our voices, it gets back to us.